This is a 2018 Four Winds Freedom 190. This boat's hardly been used. Hull's just immaculate. It's got the swing tongue. Makes it easy to store in your garage. Ratchet. Four Winds makes their own custom trailer, so it fits this boat perfectly, making it really easy to launch and retrieve. One of my easiest boats for launching and retrieving. Nice open bow. You can see the hull is just gorgeous on this boat. Doesn't look, it's hardly been used. Again, Four Winds trailer. It's got the nice stainless steel so you can stand on it. It's all box welded steel, so you can stand on it. It's not going to break the trailer, put stuff in and out of the boat. Same with the tail lights. That's actually steel. It's not a plastic piece for the tail light. With the Four Winds logo, of course. Comes with a bimini top. In storage up here. Look at the outdrive on this, not a mark on it, just in gorgeous shape. Really nice, really great condition. The nice Four Winds ladder that makes it really easy to get out of the boat or into the boat out of the water. It's even easy, works good when you're on land. Freedom is a little bit scaled down on the back. It doesn't have the flip up bolster seats that you would see in the 190 Horizon. But a really big sun pad as a result. Makes it really nice for laying around and enjoying the sandbar. See, this boat is super clean. It's got a little bit of dust from storage. It's got the flip up bolster seats. Nice ski locker there in the floor as I'm stepping into the boat. He added a hummingbird to the boat. Really nice gauge cluster. Steering wheel is tilt. Has flip-up bolster seats on each side. They're flipped up right now. Flip one down. So as you can see, makes it really nice for spotting water sports. You can swing these seats around. Big roomy glove box. Great spot for your phone right there. And of course, Four Winds big roomy bow up in the front. I'm 6 foot and I can actually sit down in this with my feet up on the seats. It's got the grab handles in the right spot and the really heavy duty Four Winds windshield. Makes this boat a really nice value, especially in today's market. So here it is, a 2018 Four Winds 190 Freedom. Chris Craig at SkipperBud's Lake Fountain.